Music has a deep connection with the human mind. It eases our mind from sadness, makes us happy, and helps us concentrate on our life. To make our relationship deeper with music, science has invented headphones for us. Because of recent days' advanced headphone technology, we not only can hear fantastic music, but also can feel it now. You've got it right, we're talking about modern-day Bluetooth wireless headphones. Klipsch is one of the headphone manufacturers that produce some amazing earbuds for music-loving folks. And today, we've selected Klipsch T5 True Wireless Earphones for you.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. Klipsch T5 is a pair of stylish Bluetooth earbuds designed with high precision by the manufacturer. The earbuds are made with high quality silicone and rubber materials to ensure the highest level of comfort. It provides the best level of comfort and suitable for long time use. And the oval shaped ear tips of different sizes ensure that it fits in your ear just perfectly. The earbuds come with touch control, which means you can control the volume or take a call only with a fingertip on either of the earbuds. Along with comfort, the Klipsch offers excellent music output. It combines aptX technology and AAC conversion technology to produce high quality crystal clear sound. And you would love the sound output of these earbuds. The Klipsch T5 is the right wireless earbud that uses Bluetooth 5 technology, which ensures strong signals between devices. No delay in music transmission, it captures the low, mid and high nice and warm without a significant dropping of frequency. Klipsch T5 are truly lightweight, only 3.84 ounces. You will not even feel it in your ear. These earbuds come with a long-lasting battery, and for a 15-minute charge, you could listen to music for 2 hours. It would let you connect with voice assistants such as Siri, Google Voice Assistant, and Alexa through its Klipsch Connect app. We'll now investigate user reviews to find out what people are thinking about these fantastic wireless earphones. The earphone has got 4.4 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 447 users, which suggests that the earphone is recommended by many of its users for its sound quality, bass, and battery. Here are some real user comments. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "Absolutely fantastic. Don't go by the negative reviews. I didn't find anything wrong negative about these fab earbuds." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "Being a big fan of Klipsch, I would say these earbuds definitely are the best and on the top of the list. Warm bass response, great fit, sleek look, great low mid-high balance, the best earbuds for audiophile perspective." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "These cut out really bad. I'm not just talking a second or two, I'm talking anywhere from 4 to 6 seconds or more. Every time I try to listen to these, I get severe dropout issues." That's all we have on the Klipsch T5 True Wireless Earphone for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.